Okay, guys. Pero, Magic OS 10 pa rin yung upgrade. Then, buksan natin settings at software update. Ibig sabihin, Magic OS 10 na yan. Click mo yan. Tapos mga yan, mukhang iPhone na. Tignan mo. Yung battery neto at 7%. Ibig sabihin, nalobat na yan. Malobat na yan ng gusto. 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yan. Babawas silang magdami. Pero, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. Make sure, panood nyo ulit yung Magic OS product again. Bye!